How to get more views on Snapchat or how to increase your Snapchat story views. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get higher views on Snapchat. So it's basically an important setting that you must need to do. So as a beginner, if you are beginner at Snapchat and if you want your view stories to get more views, then this is the one of the important setting you must need to do. So to do this setting, click your profile icon and then click this setting icon and then scroll down below. And then you can see view my story, so click here and then you can see guys, Snapchat will automatically set this to friends only, so you have to change it to everyone. Thereby Snapchat will show your story to more people, not only your friends but also everyone. And this is the way you can get more views on Snapchat. Your story will get more views on Snapchat. So you have to set this setting guys. If you are beginner at Snapchat, you must need to do, and then thereby you can get more views. So if you think this video is helpful to you, then hit the like button and also subscribe button. I make more videos like this, so thanks for watching.